Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix your corrupt disk error in your Steam when you try to open your any game, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this error, so make sure you watch the entire video. So first close your Steam and also close your Steam in your this arrow icon, and after that just open up your file explorer and then go to this PC, and then you have to just open up the disk where your operating system is installed, and then you can open up the program files x86 folder, and then here you have to just find the Steam folder. And if you don't find the Steam folder here, then you can simply open up the program files, and then you can simply find the Steam and just open this folder. And now here you have to just look for the Steam apps folder, open it, and now look for the folder named the downloads. Right click on that, click on the rename, and just rename it to any name like text. You can type here the any text. So I have not found the download folder, so you can just simply do this step and rename this folder. After that, now you can restart your Steam again and your problem is fixed. And guys, there is 90% chance your problem is fixed after this solution. And if your problem is not fixed, then click on the Steam, click on the settings. And now here, go to the downloads and simply click on the clear cache. So by clear your cache, click on the confirm. By clearing your cache will also fix your problem. And you can also do this step to fix this error. After that, now you can go back, and if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then you can simply go to the Windows search, type the control panel and open it. And now here just simply click on the view by and just simply select it to large icons, and then go to the power options. So once you come here, just click on the change plan settings, and now here click on the change advanced power settings. And now here you have to just look for the hard disk, and in the hard disk you will see the on battery. You can give its value to 0, and in the plugged in you have also give its value to 0. And then just simply click on the apply and then click on the OK to save the changes. And now you can just restart your Steam and check your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then simply open up the Steam, go to its settings and go to the storage, and then simply click on the three dot options and click on the repair library. Now it will fixing your corrupt files, and if there is any error in your Steam, it can fix them automatically. This is the built-in function of Steam, so you can use this. After that, now you can just restart your Steam and your problem is fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix the corrupt disk error in your Steam. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe to our channel.